strawberry bread, strawberry bread. Hey guys, Lady Lee here from ladyleeshome.com, and in this video I want to share with you a really simple strawberry bread recipe. We only have about half a cup of sugar in the whole loaf, so not too much sugar if you kind of calculate it by slice. It doesn't have to be just strawberries. You can, I'm gonna keep it simple here and just use strawberries, but you can add different kind of berries if you want to. You can even take the same batter recipe and just use completely different berries. But strawberry season is coming soon. Spring will be here, and this is the perfect way to celebrate strawberry season. This bread also freezes very well, so if during strawberry season you find yourself with too many strawberries, which really there's no such a thing as too many strawberries, but let's just hypothetically say that you do find yourself sitting like in a pile of strawberries and you have no clue what to do with them, you can make this bread, wrap it really good and stick it in the freezer, and it will be good for up to a year in the freezer. All that you need to do when you're ready to serve it is just take it out, let it thaw on the kitchen counter, and serve it at room temperature. So we are going to make this bread together, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. And let me show you how simple it is. You guys, you can find the exact recipe down below the video. I have it linked there, so you can go and print it out if you want, or just click over to the site, to the blog, and take a look at the step-by-step picture tutorial, and the recipe card is over there too, in case you want to just look at it or print it out. The first thing that we need to do is wash our strawberries very well with cold water, and then we're gonna core them and dice them. We need 1.5 cups of diced strawberries to make 1 loaf of this bread. The berries are ready to go, diced and ready to go. So let's go ahead and mix the batter. I melted half a stick of butter here in the microwave. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar to it, and we're gonna cream this together for just a couple minutes. Once the butter and sugar are mixed together, I'm going to add 1 egg at a time and mix it in. These are my duck eggs, that's why the yolk is so big. But if you have duck eggs, then they're amazing in baked goods. If you don't, just use large chicken eggs. Next, we're going to whisk together 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna give it a good whisk together, and then we're gonna add it to the wet ingredients. Lastly, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 cup of milk. And we are going to mix this in. Our batter is ready, so all that we have left to do is add 1.5 cups of diced strawberries. And if you want to add chocolate chips or walnuts, they work really well with this bread. You can add them now too, and I would say keep the total of add-ins to about 3/4 of a cup or so. 3/4 to 1 cup. So you can do 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of walnuts, or just a couple chocolate chips, whatever you like. And that's it. Now I lined a baking loaf pan here with parchment paper. I just put it like this and then oil the ends, and that makes it really easy to take the bread out when it's ready. So we're just gonna transfer the batter into the pan, and then we're going to bake this bread in a preheated 350-degree oven for about an hour. You wanna check the bread before you take it out of the oven. You can insert a toothpick in the center of it, and if the toothpick comes out dry, then the bread is ready. Sometimes it takes 50 minutes, sometimes an hour, sometimes even an hour and 10 minutes. So just depend on your oven. it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. It's a really simple bread to put together, and it's delicious, it's moist, it's not too sweet, and you can really taste the strawberries in there. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're making this bread, please let me know how you liked it and how it turned out, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye, guys.